Solid Edge offers advanced additive manufacturing processes and tools to ensure 3D printed parts are created right the first time. Features from print bed orientation to physical thread creation make 3D printing with Solid Edge the perfect way to manufacture generatively designed parts like this bracket. Solid Edge's Overhang Check functionality allows users to visualize the amount of support material required to print a part, which is illustrated here in red. With a lot of support material needed, it would be better to print this part at a different orientation. With the reorientation tools, we can view the part in the context of the printer bed, where it can be moved, rotated, and even settled automatically. The new orientation reduces the support material required to print the part. A quick recheck using the Overhang tool confirms this is a far better, more efficient orientation. Again, we can isolate the areas of overhang based on our maximum angle to get a clear picture of the support material needed. The wall thickness checker also allows users to visualize areas of the model that could present printing challenges based on printer specifications. Minimum wall thickness requirements can be defined to identify areas with potential issues. Isolating these issues gives a clearer picture as to whether the part will print successfully or need adjusting. Internal closed voids are another potential issue for 3D printing, particularly when using powder-based printing methods. Here we can see that placing a dynamic section through this part highlights a void inside the support. The Delete Voids command takes care of this automatically, removing the voids fast and easily. A common requirement on parts that have threaded features is to have the physical representation of threads, so that the 3D print is 100% accurate and functions correctly. Initially, when the threads are applied, they are created as cosmetic threads for performance reasons. However, these can quickly and easily be switched to physical threads as they are created. For models that already contain many cosmetic threads, Solid Edge can switch these to physical threads during the 3D printing preparation process. Features can be selected individually or as a whole and quickly converted to the matching physical thread. Final output of the 3D print file is a quick and simple process. Regular 3MF and STL formats are supported, and users have full control over the resolution of the output. From beginning to end, Solid Edge streamlines access to the additive manufacturing processes and tools needed to make your designs a reality, quickly and easily.